Yeah, uthi lokhuluma nami, something was done upon his father. And what was done upon his father will affect him now mentally. Now mentally. So ubaba uthi asimthandazele so that azoba right, because lento enziwa kubabakhe mamkhize but yinto esilandela yena. Azikubizelani kangaka wakuphi ubaba? Okay, ngiyakuze clean point vat wathi wakuphi KZN wakuphi ubaba waseLimpopo, kodwa lo okhuluma nami ye ngasho ukuthi mfo uright ngomfo mfowethu uright la uyazi mina ngiphusha u40 manje inkinga yikho uthi lo okhuluma nami masilungisa indaba yakho khona sikuthandazele serious ngoba lento ephila phezulu kwakho into endala bekungasiyona into edalelwe ukuthi ihlale phezulu kwakho ehlele kumuntu omdala uyangizwa mos onjengoba bakho othona walala ngendlela futhi engemnandi indlela eyaba buhlungu uyangizwa mos. So now it's over your shoulders. You have been carrying the story of the death of your father for some time right now, but this thing is starting to affect you mentally. But namhlanje you are going to remove that picture, so that you are made all right. The reason I say that is because ngibona abantu abashonile mawulele, ngibona amathuna, ngibona abantu abashonile mawulele, but this is more like a dream. So they are calling you to the other side. This thing kube bekungimi ngase ngisilwane side ngoba bengizobatshela bonke la khaya ukuthi uzibani wahanjiswa yini nobani. But because you can't decode and interpret dreams, it's hard for you to see the signs they are giving you. But ngizokuthandazela namhlanje uzoba right, ingqondo yakho izoba right. Le nto beyiphonswe phezulu kwababakho angeke isasebenza phezulu kwempilo yakho. Uyangizwa? Unani ufakele kitchen lakho la right? Unani phaketheni phetheni? What are you carrying? Lento uyayibamba lo muntu ne uhleli phansi lo xoxa nami uthi lento engikhuluma ngayo is in connection of lento esephaketheni lakhe. Uyangizwa mos? Uthi lento okhuluma ngayo ukuthi this thing will affect this person mentally is because the mental problem will come connected to something whatever will come in connection of this. You are one person who was never supposed to smoke. We are against the words. Uzohlanya. Kube bongangilalela mina bengathi yeka. Kusazoba nzima. Kodwa bongangilandela siyakuthandazela. Uthi mina ngikwazi, ngiyakwazi? Yeah, uthi lokhuluma nami iphakethe lakho ngikombeni. Uthi lokhuluma nami lokho okuzom-affect ingqondo yebo kwaphonselwa kubabakhe kodwa yena into okuzoyenza ukuthi isebenze yinto esekhikhini lakhe. My God. So lento njengoba ila manje njengoba imenzisa le addiction lena akusi addiction is spiritual influence that caused the addiction. So masingamsizi thina siyobe silahlekelwe ngenye ilida. Ngiyangizwa boss. Kanti so crossele pha. Yabo mangivela ngahamba nje. Ngoba lo amena ukho la. So ngivele ngahamba lo professor ukho la. Ngivele ngahamba. Ngivele ngahamba. Kodwa ke izinto abimnandi kodwa ngiyangizwa ngokhuluma naye kodwa ukuthi professor man of God. Yes, awukho ngeke. I'm helping you. Ngiyangizwa mos. We are not going to lose you as a leader. Ngiyangizwa mos. Your mind will be made whole. You will be fine. So far we have just as we be. Let them pete uJehova uzoyisusa. Uzoba right. Ngiyangizwa mos. Moya wakho uzoba right. Ingqondo yakho izoba right. And this thing has been telling you ukuthi yeka lento but awukhona ukuyeka. Mina ngizokuthandazela uzoba right. Uzoyeka. Yeah. Uzoyeka masike sonke isikhathi nje uzoyeka. Bonke zikuthandazela. Ngixolele basana. I'm still your prophet, Jay. Sizodrive amna now. I'm still your prophet. Sizodrive. Still your prophet. As long as I'm your prophet, you're going to thrive. The devil is a lie. So God is helping you now. What's your name? Letao. Stand here. Call your name 3 times. 1, 2. Okay, let's go. Stretch your hands towards him. Let's help him. What is living here has to live today. Father, this mind belongs to you. This body belongs to you. This vessel belongs to you. This body belongs to you. I speak life. I speak light. No spirit have power over this spirit. No spirit have power over this spirit. I stand as a prophet. I rebuke every form of addiction, every form of infirmity, every power from the pit of hell. Loose him. I stand as a prophet right now. We are setting this mind free. We are setting this body free. We are setting this person free. No power from hell has to live in this person. Mind be made whole. Etano bale salia. Isakombra atelano. Libando salia ato. We reclaim your life back to Jesus. We reclaim your spirit back to Jesus. We reclaim your body back to Jesus. We reclaim every part of you back to Jesus. You are saved from inside out. I speak as a prophet. Without set free, it is done. You are free. In the short time fasting, in the short time fasting, in the short time. Why do I say that? Sometimes when we pray for things, Indians are gonna